Hello, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Math and Reading. In today's video, we will be reviewing for the 2022 Texas STAAR Reading Test for 4th graders. Our concept is Elements of Poetry. This is part 2. Remember, 4th graders, the time to be awesome is now. Do you need a math or reading tutor? We offer virtual one-on-one or group tutoring for 2nd to 8th grade students. Parents, there's a link in the description box so that you can sign up for a free 30-minute consultation. We have our 4th grade math and reading review workbooks available for purchase in our store. The link will be in the description box so that you can grab yours today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and press the like button so that you will be alerted to new videos we upload, and also spread the word about Hype Math and Reading. We greatly appreciate your support. So let's talk about poetry. Poetry can tell a story, describe an object, or help readers to visualize in their minds pictures about a certain topic. It is a collection of words that express an emotion or idea, sometimes with a specific meaning, sound, or rhythm. Let's look at the elements of poetry. 1, we have rhyme, words that end with the same sound. Some examples are can and man, sigh and try. But remember, 4th graders, poems do not always rhyme. Next, we have rhythm, the musical quality or beat. Pitter patter, listen to the rain. Pitter patter is the rhythm of the poem. Third, we have repetition, to repeat words, sounds, or phrases. Fall is pumpkins, fall is food, fall is leaves on me and you. In our example, you notice that we are repeating the word fall. Next, we have imagery, a vivid description using the 5 senses, which are see, feel, taste, hear, or smell. Our example is, the cat's tongue felt like sandpaper on my cheek. That was rough. Number 5, we have simile, comparing two things using the words like or as. In our example, we have the old dog is moving as slow as a snail. So we're comparing the old dog and also snail, and our word is as. That is a simile. Metaphor, comparing two different things. The garden of flowers were a rainbow of colors. Here we're still comparing, kind of like a simile, but the difference is we're not using the word like or as like you do with similes. Number 7, alliteration, repeating beginning sounds. Monkeys make major messes. Our repeating sound is M. Number 8 is onomatopoeia, sounds like the noise or action. Chirp, 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 went the baby birds. Number 9 is personification, makes a non-human thing seem human. The cat, which is the non-human thing, rang the doorbell to come inside. Humans usually ring doorbells, so for a cat to ring it is pretty curious. Lastly, we have free verse, poetry that lacks a consistent rhyme scheme, metrical pattern, or musical form. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city. That is free verse. You notice there's no rhyme, there's no consistent pattern to the poem. So let's look at our poem. This poem is in our 4th grade reading review workbook. It is available for purchase in our store. The link is in the description box. Length of Time by Phyllis McGinley. Time is peculiar and hardly exact. Though minutes are minutes, you'll find for a fact, As the older you get and the bigger you grow, that time can hurry like this or plod slow. Waiting for your dinner when you're hungry, down with the sniffles in your bed, notice how an hour crawls along and crawls along like a snail with his house upon his head. But when you're starting a game in the park, it's morning, it's noon, and suddenly it's dark. And hours like seconds rush blurring by, whoosh, like a plane in the sky. So let's look at our comprehension questions for lengths of time. How is line 21 important to the poem? So here we have line 20, 21, and 22. Rush blurring by, whoosh, like a plane in the sky. Is line 21 important to the poem? Because A, it shows the speaker is confused. B, it shows the speaker has to leave. C, it suggests that the speaker is having fun. Or D, it uses a sound to describe the speaker's experience. So remember, we're talking about lengths of time and how quickly time passes. And in line 21, it's talking about how you're playing and you're having fun. And then it seems how quickly morning, noon, and then it's dark. How time, whoosh, passes by like a plane. Is it showing the speaker is confused? No, not really. Is it showing that the speaker has to leave? No, because it's talking about time. It suggests the speaker is having fun. Well, the speaker is having fun, but again, we're focusing on the time part. It uses a sound to describe the speaker's experience. And yes, that is correct because the speaker is showing us how quickly it seems time passes by when you're having fun. Number 4, in line 1 of the poem, what does the word peculiar mean? And Miss Jackson messed up, so let me put, it's not line 20, it's line 1. All right, time is peculiar and hardly exact. Though minutes are minutes, you'll find for a fact. Okay, is it F, strange, G, certain, H, sensible, J, cautious? All right, so you have to use your context clues. If you don't know what peculiar means, again, using your context clues can help you answer the question correctly. Now, we're talking about time again and how even though time is exact and minutes are minutes, but it seems like time goes by fast or slow depending on what we're waiting for or what we're doing. So let's substitute in our words to see to discover which one is the correct answer. Time is strange and hardly exact. Though minutes are minutes, you'll find for a fact. Yeah, it seems like, based on the poem, that time can seem strange because time doesn't change. You know, the minutes, the seconds go by the same. But again, based on what you're doing or what you're waiting for, it can seem like it goes fast or slow. So that could seem pretty strange. So F is potentially a right answer. Time is certain and hardly exact. Though minutes are minutes, you'll find for a fact. Okay, so yes, time is certain, but again, we're trying to see it from the speaker's point of view about time. H, time is sensible and hardly exact. No. J, time is cautious and hardly exact. Well, time isn't talking about time being cautious, so time is strange seems to be the correct answer. And again, let me change it. My apologies. I did not change what line of the stanza it was. And I'm going to keep it just so that you know, fourth graders, even adults make mistakes. And I want to change it without editing the video to show you it's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Keep moving forward. Okay. So F is the correct answer. Strange, because again, in the poem, it's saying, it doesn't seem, the time is time and minutes are minutes. It just seems like, based on the situation, time doesn't seem the same, but we know that it is. And that is it for our poetry review, Elements of Poetry Review, Part 2. Again, if you need a tutor, you can sign up. The link will be in the description box, parents. And also, we have our 4th grade math and reading review workbooks available for purchase in our store. This is Shay Jackson with Hype Math and Reading. I will talk to you later.